Hey there folks, thanks for tuning in. And today just offering you part 2 of the Sandals South Coast beach tour slash walk. And as last we left you, we were moving towards the French village from the Dutch. And probably one of the first things that you should notice from the first video is that the seagrass tends to back off a little bit from the shore here, and you get some nice sandy areas out in the water. That being said, folks, I'll say what I've said in every other video when it comes to the seagrass. It just doesn't ruin your vacation, or at least it hasn't ruined ours. We've been here over 12 times, and I can never once think, man, that seagrass ruined my vacation. Trust me, folks, after a few good, stiff adult beverages of your choice, you won't care about the seagrass, especially the way they pour the drinks at South Coast. That being said, as we move towards the French village, folks, the French is actually the furthest away from the center of the resort where the main pool is and the vast majority of your restaurants are going to be. But in my opinion, and in full disclosure, we have never stayed in the French village. It is the funnest location on the resort, especially the pool. I know for a fact I annoy people by trying to get them to play volleyball, but I just can't tell you how much fun inebriated pool volleyball can be. So if you are getting the French village, don't let the distance away from the main part of the resort discourage you. You're actually getting a very nice location. If you look at the beach here, you've got a much clearer sort of water than you do towards, say, the Dutch or even the Italian. Guys, we're coming to the end of this video, a little shorter, but I didn't want to make one long video, and for viewability's sake, I figured I'd break it up into two. But I want to thank you for watching, and do me a favor. If you liked the video or found it informative, please like it and then subscribe to my channel. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.